Good afternoon. This is Madi from Madi's Travel. I am very, very happy today. It's my son's 26th birthday, so it's a very, very special day. Anyway, I'm going to be going to Castillo de San Miguel, which dates back to the 1st century, and it's a castle. They're closed today, but I'm just going to go in that area just to see if there's anything else going on around there. So why don't you join me? Seems like a lot of people's out today, so let's check it out. It's kind of chilly today. I want to say it's in the 50s. Wind is picking up a little. Not familiar with this area, but it is a little chilly out here. I mean, even for shorts and t-shirt. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. All right, this street is not far from my Airbnb, but I have not come up this way. So this will be a new adventure of getting lost. For you dog groomers that have dogs, you want to see what prices that they have. A medium dog with short hair is $15. And one with long is $20. A big dog is $50. A big dog with short hair is $25. They have baths, cutting of the fingers, cleaning the ears, vaccination. They perfume your dog. Cats are $30. Those are the prices here. I don't know how much they are in the US because I don't have a pet, but that's what they cost here. Alrighty. One of my family members texted me yesterday and asked me if everything was okay, and I said yes, and he was saying because of like the posts that I've been posting, so he was just wondering, and then he said maybe he was reading into it, and I told him no. I said it's not towards nobody specific, you know, but if you see yourself in it, then hey, it wasn't what I was talking about, wasn't anything specific towards anybody personally, but like I said, if it fits, if you think it fits, then maybe it'll give you something to think about. But I was just being real and truthful. That's all. There's nothing wrong with me. You know, everything's cool, everything's fine. I'm happy. But I just needed to share my thoughts and share what other people actually think about, but don't say it out loud. Let's just put it this way. I just said it out loud. That was the difference. But no, just because I said it out loud doesn't mean something's wrong with me. I'm good. All I'm saying is you do you, boo. And I'll do me. That's basically the summary of what I said yesterday. I like that. Maybe that should be my motto. You do you, boo. All right, let's move on. I guess that is the building that I passed. The white stone building. We're gonna sneak through the back here. I don't know if this is private property or not, but let's do it. Well, if somebody tells me it's private property, then I'll just leave. But until then, let's see. The grounds are beautiful. Wow. What a view. I'm not sure what they do here, but, and these trees. I love these trees. Love, love. Love, love the way they grow. Amazing. Very pretty. After looking over the ledge over here, I saw a Ferris wheel in the very distant. I think it's going to be a long way to walk there, but I'm ready. I want to see it because I've seen the Ferris wheel like when I went to the beach the last time. I happened to look that way and I saw a ginormous Ferris wheel, so let's see what's there. All right, there's a street here and I'm going to take it. Nope, still tourist area. Where the heck am I going? There's a hotel. Yeah, still too close to the city center for me. Beautiful artwork. I love my graffiti. I'm going downhill, and the streets are very narrow. Look at that. Beautiful. Where am I? Let's see. You know, if you want to travel, if you want to go places, I say do it, because once you get older, not like me, I'm still a baby. But once you get older, your body's not going to want to get up. Your body's not going to want to climb hills. Your body's not going to want to do a lot of things. So if you want to go, even if it's solo, just go. Trust me, I'm 63. I had a double knee replacement and I'm still going up hills and going downstairs and I'm still moving. As long as I'm able to move, I will move. And I suggest you do the same. I don't know how far I am from the Ferris wheel, if I gotten farther coming this way, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna find it. Oh, you could rent a scooter here. They have all different types of scooters here that you can rent. And these are the prices. Pretty cool. All right, I have no idea where I'm at. Let me see. Huh. Those are more apartments. I have no clue where I'm at, but I'm gonna go this way. This looks like a touristic place down the street, so I'm just guessing that's gonna be where the beach is. This is Bar Restaurante Peperios, and they got English breakfast for $7.95, which comes for 2 toasts, 2 eggs with bacon, orange juice, coffee, or tea. And then this is their what they serve and their prices. Then these are basically snacks, hot dogs, and different sandwiches, just to give you an idea of how much things cost. Just to have an idea. Alrighty. Manicure place. This is their prices. Normal manicure is $13. Pedicure. Oops. Sorry about that. Pedicure to cut and clean is €5. Cut and file is €5. Pedicure permanent, $33. And they're open. They got an Alhambra. Oh, I loved Alhambra when I went there. This is $14.50 for the menu with barbecue meat. This is what they charge, and this is what they have. That's their menu. And it's called Casa Pascual. Now this is a nice little, oh, the beach is over there. Okay. Wonder how far I am. Let me check this out here. What's over here? It's got like a water fountain. And, this is a nice little area here. They probably put that on at nighttime. And it takes you straight to the beach. It's got a Thai massage. And these are the prices. Okay. And here is the peaceful beach. Never been to this side. Don't know what it's called. But it's very pretty. Let me see. Oh, there's dogs. Okay. This is very pretty and well kept. I apologize that I can't tell you where I'm at, but as soon as I find out, I will let you know. Look at this. You know I love my mountains. I don't know if that's snow-capped or if that's the clouds on the mountains. People are fishing. Let's go take a look. People are fishing. No, that little girl has a two-piece bathing suit on when the weather feels like 40-something degrees. Now that's a bit much. No. Alrighty, let's see who's going to get pneumonia. All right. It's not my child, but he's fishing. Wow, look at this. There's the Ferris wheel I want to get to. That's way over there. Where'd it go? That's the Ferris wheel. So I'm going to walk this road by the beach and see how long it takes me to get there. Torremolinos never surprises me. I was actually planning to go somewhere else today, and since it's Monday, it's closed. So this is my plan B, which feels like a plan A. It's beautiful out here. Brisk but beautiful. Would I do this again? Hell yeah. And Roberto, if you're listening to me, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Roberto. Happy birthday to you. I love you. My pride and joy turned 26 today. I cannot wait for you guys to hear him. It's exciting. Because that boy's going to change the world. Or young man, should I say. All right, this is Seaside. That's called the Seaside. And they got burgers for €5, $5.50, $6.50, $7, $3 for fries, and more, it says. And they're open from 9 a.m. to 15:30 p.m., which is 3:30. This is Playa de Horno. You can take your picture here. Oh, they used my body on the left side. Yeah, right. All right. But that's what it's called, Playa de Horno. Playa el Horno. On that. Then they have drinks, smoothies for $5.50 of different kinds. This is Tabora Beach, which is for $13.50, their daily menu. This is a sunglass place. We got a gazillion sunglasses, different prices, $39.95, 2 for $49.95, $29.95 each. There are apartments here for rent, short and long term. You can contact them. Basically, I guess it's through those doors, but it's right on the beach. Let's see here. This says, I'm glad you guys are being patient with my Spanish. This says, homenaje a pescador de Mediterráneo. That's what this is. In case you didn't understand what I said, there you go. That's pretty cool. I think I am pretty far from where my Airbnb is. This is Playa de la Carihuela Beach. Okay, there's this guy doing this cool sculpture, and I know he's not going to let me videotape it, so I will show you from this distance how big it is. because they want people to pay for taking pictures. And he's doing a great job. He's got actual things moving on it. Wow. Even Nemo's on there. I'm gonna get closer. It's amazing. I'm like really out of the way, but I'm determined to get to this Ferris wheel. Determined. Even if I make it at midnight, I'm getting there. It says Hamacas Playa Salvador. Which is another very pretty area. I might have to sit on one of these benches, people. I know this Ferris wheel has got to be, oh my gosh. This Ferris wheel has got to be close by. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. All right, I see the Ferris wheel's way in the distance still. I don't know if you can see it from here. Children with no shirts on and shorts and no shoes running through the 40-something degree weather as though it's summertime. More power to you. If you can do it, not feel the cold, enjoy. They have a lot of street sellers. There are a lot of street sellers more on this side than there is on the side I'm on. On behalf of my son's birthday, I am going to get some cheesecake gelato just to toast him, which is over there. More street vendors. And purses and shoes. Another castle somebody made. That must take hours and hours upon hours. Are people swimming? Are you serious? They're really swimming. 40-something degrees out. So imagine what the water is. Imagine what the water is. more power to them. All right, this is where I'm looking at. Over there. Looks like I'm getting closer. I know I am far away from my area. I spent the whole day so far walking the beach. First trying to find the castle, which was like about, what was it, an 12 minute walk or so. And then I ended up over here on the beach and just walking the pathways. There are a lot of street vendors here. I know I've already said that before. But more on this side. I think it's probably because this side they don't get moved, told to leave. I think that's probably why. Because on the other side, I'm sure they'll make them move. The other side where I'm at has more tourists. And this side has more street vendors. That's original. They have a real decorative fish, and people just throw their bottles in there. They're plastic. Cool. Wow. A lot of people here on this side. Selling. Same thing, purses, shirts, shoes. Wow. It is a lot. Yeah, this side is totally different than my side. And of course there's a Burger King. Why wouldn't there be in Spain? I'm getting close to the Ferris wheel. Ta-da! We are here. We are here. Not sure if you can see it. Let's see if I can stand back here. That's the Ferris wheel. I made it. But this is something. Yeah, let's see here. So this must be a marina. Because there are a gazillion boats in there. It's like boats stacked on top of each other. That's where they put their boats in the wintertime, apparently. Oh.
She was racing the other day, but
This side looks really upscale.
oh. Never go out.
I have no idea where I'm at, but it really looks amazing. More boats on top of each other. See, I would really love to know where I'm at. This is like another world. I'm going to follow these people. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm going to follow them. Look at these buildings up there. I'm just acting like I belong. With this camera, of course. There's a Mexican restaurant. It's a good price. Just to give you a little idea. But this place is unreal. You have boats on top of boats on top of boats on top of boats. I mean, they're like sardines in this place. And the buildings, the whitewashed buildings. Where am I? I know I'm in an upscale area because this looks nothing like I saw in Torremolinos. Where the hell am I? I feel like I'm in Greece somewhere. Oh no, there's boats here. others built on top of each other. There's a little bridge, but look at this. Is this Torremolinos still? Am I still in Torremolinos, people? I know the people that are living here are saying this woman's crazy. Yes, I am, because I'm lost. And I'm in a beautiful place. For some reason, that reminds me of Greece. Without the blue dome tops. All right, people, let's continue our journey till I figure out where am I. But it's beautiful. Well, people, I found out where I am. A place I've been wanting to come to and didn't even think about it until I ended up here. It is Benalmedina. That's where I'm at. But it's beautiful. It's very beautiful. Let's keep moving. I walked 6 miles from city center to here. 6 miles. And there's motorboats around the corner on top of each other. They're just like stacked everywhere. Any corner you find, little entrance there, they shove 2 boats in that section. So, it's beautiful though. I know this summertime is booming over here. That I do know. Let's keep it moving. Hercules X. Enjoy sailing, dolphin spotting, swimming in clear waters. You have to call the number, there's no price on there. Look at this one. Well, that one gives you private tours. That's a dolphin spotting one. This one gives you tours too. Dragon de Oro. Yo te espero.
Very good. Yow taa boo xam ne yoroo tane woom.
Zoom in here. Lots of boats. I'm so glad I got lost today. So glad I got lost today. This architecture on this side of Torremolinos is amazing.
Yeah.
Some people own their boat that's like a shark, and you pay 35 euros for 20 minutes per person. Parasailing is 50 euros. One jet ski is 150 euros. Two people is 160. You gotta reserve it. That's basically it. And more boats on top of each other. Let's see here. Let's continue. That glass stores has like 1 million glasses in there. And the sunglasses, all types of sunglasses. All types of sunglasses. Moving on. They got paella for $39.95, and that's a special offer. Fried fish with a margarita with Malbuena is €32.95. I don't think there's any spaces for an extra boat in this place. I mean, literally, they are like right on top of each other. I've never seen this many boats in a marina. I mean, even down there, if you look, it's all the way to the edge of the bridge, of that little bridge. And more boats. I've actually walked more than 6 miles today. And I'm getting farther and farther away from where I'm supposed to be. And I've ended at the end. Wow, what a walk. This is the very end of the street, right here. All right. Ooh. What a journey I've taken for Roberto's birthday. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. Centro Náutico. So Center Náutico. I'm gonna go over here because it looks amazing. Amazing. Look at this, people. Straight out of a postcard. people, I just want you to soak this in with me. This beautiful, beautiful view. The sun is going to be setting. I guess it's time for me to head towards my Airbnb, which is over a 6-mile walk. So let's go. I shall get there by tomorrow. I'm glad I got lost today on Robert's birthday. Now I gotta figure out where I gotta go. I have no clue at all. I don't even know how I got down here, to be honest. But I do see that there is a up slope. So it'll probably take me to a main road. I am in no rush. So I will get there when I get there. First time I do not bring my purse. I forget to put a little bit of money in this little wallet I have. So when I went to get on the bus, it said cash only. So I have no choice but walking 6 miles or doing a taxi or something. Now I'll walk it so I can look around this area. Everything happens for a reason. So let's see what's here. A Chinese restaurant. These are the prices. Just to kind of give you an idea, there's a lot more, but I'd probably stand here for an hour trying to show it to you. But it's Palacio Chino, it's the name of this place. Darcy's Motown Bar. Hey! Well, people, I thought I was gonna die today. It was a 2-hour walk from where I was at since the bus did not accept cards. So I had no cash on hand. I thought I had some in my little purse, my little thing that I carried my phone in, but I forgot to put some money in it. So I ended up walking, and it took 2 hours to walk. I'm right around the corner from my home. So I am getting ready to kick off my shoes and chillax. I hope you guys enjoyed the day with me to walk all the way down to that wonderful area where all the boats and, oh, it was just so beautiful. Glad I went. I wanted to go, and I wasn't planning to go today, but things happen. So great to get lost. Peace. See you on the next video.